What's going on today? It's your boy Kyle coming back at you with another video from Big Money Mindset. Today we're going to be going over the Workhorse stock and checking out, what's going on with this EV company, seeing if it has any upside, seeing, where the company is as far as stock market pricing, see if there's any value. We'll go into a couple of slides and see, what kind of opportunities the Workhorse is trying to search for right now. And, we'll just get into it and check out what's going on. Let's go and just begin with, what is Workhorse and what it's all about. Workhorse Group is an incorporated American manufacturing company in Ohio, currently focused on manufacturing electric power delivery and utility vehicles. This company was founded in 1998. So they've been around for a while, and basically, I know the CFO did a little interview, and he was upset because he believes that all the hype behind their company shouldn't be true because he thinks they're actually a valued company. So he believes that they are good long term. We'll take a look into the little review and interview he did real quick. Let's see. I have it up right here. It says Workhorse CFO talks about USPS contract, says company has a 2-year lead on competitors. Let's see. Schrader also provided an update on the $6 billion U.S. Postal Service contract for its next generation mail trucks. Workhorse is one of the 4 remaining participants bidding for the contract. Schrader said he can't discuss too much about the process at this point, but Workhorse is the only electric company option. So basically, he thinks he has this contract in the bag that everyone's been going over. They think they're going to land this big deal, $6 billion deal with the U.S. Postal Service, and he thinks it's going to take the company to new heights. So just checking out a couple slides. They are set to go over earnings on August 10th. So we're going to really be able to see if this company has been making money and, how they've been doing during this pandemic. They already are working with, big worldwide leaders. I went over their investor presentation, and let's take a look at that. The C series is the big product they're pushing hard. Right now, they're designed in partnership with UPS. The C series is purpose-built to be the safest and most efficient last-mile delivery system available. 100-mile fully electric range with optional horsefly delivery drone. So they are going into drones as well, which, no one's really gone that route as far as delivery. So it could be a potential. And it says the horsefly drone reduces per package last mile cost by 95%. 4 cents per mile versus $1 gas. So, that could be a big game changer. Nobody's on it. It could potentially happen, but I know this C series is where they're trying to, get in the bag as far as profit. So this C series right now compared to the last series, E series, has gone up 8 miles per gallon. So that's pretty good. And, it's still about a 100-mile distance. Everything else looks the same. They're mainly in it for the fuel-efficient cost for these companies. They're going after an $18 billion total market. Big companies, FedEx, they're already with UPS, Amazon, Walmart. And I've noticed, man, Amazon likes to look for partnership, man. When they see someone making it look easier for them, they're going to take that deal, man. I mean, that's the same thing with Helion, They're chasing after companies that they can help. That's these companies' goal, man. They're fuel-efficient electric companies, and that's what it's all about, Helping another company make you money, and you save them money. So that's pretty much what they're going for. So, yeah, their C series, they're all over, and let's take a look. Once again, their slide is just going over green and cost-effective. Like I said, there's no point to get your head up in a waddle, of 10,000 different things that companies are doing. You could write a Harry Potter book on this type of stuff. You just got to look at the facts, the fundamentals, and that'll give you a good grasp on what the company is all about. Fuel efficiency for the C series versus 6 mpg for UPS. That's ridiculous. Operating costs from $1 a mile to 36 cents a mile. Reduce maintenance costs, moving over to electric. Increase driver satisfaction. So, you know, it sounds like, their statistics are correct, and people are liking them so far. And if they land that deal, there's no telling how far this company could go. You can see over time. You guys can go through the slides. I don't want to, just go over all the details, but 2012, 2015, these are just different, amount of vehicles they've been selling. 125 workhorse electric vehicles, 100 all electric. The Texas, UPS, 200 vehicles. So these guys are, selling products. They're definitely making money, and they have sales to prove it. Let's take a look at this. Workhorse Group is on the cusp of greatness. This was literally just an article that just got produced last night. And it's basically saying, don't mistake Workhorse Group stock as merely benefiting from a rising tide in its core industry. So that's what they're saying. They're saying, the CFO said the same thing. He said, don't think all the hype in this EV industry is just hype. We're doing numbers. We're in with the big players. We're potentially about to land a massive deal. So that's what they're saying. Unlike some of the smaller electric EV companies, these guys have been doing it for years, and they're now just finally getting their big recognition. So they're saying that stock is not an easy bet. On the surface, Workhorse Group stock seems like a no-brainer, with the underlying company on the cusp of a multi-billion-dollar federal contract and zero emissions, credibility from California. Workhorse has come a long way from its, I'm not even going to go into that one, but plus society and the business world incentive, the shift to EVs. So obviously with zero emissions, EVs individually. I'm not talking about the broader supply chain involving and building them, which is a different story. Provide a cleaner environmental footprint. As you can see, all these articles, all these slides, it goes back to the main grasp of what the company is trying to achieve. Environmental friendly, fuel efficiency, saving companies money. That's what you have to understand. That's not rocket science. That's a big, bold statement, and they're proving it. And they're about to land potentially some big players. So we'll just go look at the stock now that we understand a grasp of the company, what they've been doing in the past couple of years, making sales and new products, better fuel efficiency, bigger contracts. So we'll take a look into the stock just to see what it's doing. And you can see the last 3 quarters, quarter 3 2019, quarter 4 2019, and quarter 1 2020. They're going up. They're making sales, earnings are going up. This next one is gonna be big. I'm telling you, this could shoot the stock flying $20. It could drop at $10. It's ridiculous. So we'll take a look at the stock. What it's done over the past 3 months. I think it was a low of 253. So yeah, this is where the young investors started riding the hype, which is it's smart and it's not smart. It's risky. You gotta go into more detail before you invest in a company like this. So some people got lucky and got in real early. Some people go off of super hype, and I believe this is super hype because nothing was happening until that EV 1 month blow up was happening. So we'll take a look at what the stock moved up to. It was about $21. So they made a crazy jump. It was ridiculous. But the thing I do like about this stock right now, this is different from all the other EV companies I've seen. They've been holding for a month, a full month. This stock has been holding up at $15, and you usually don't see that. You usually see these big drops, and they are holding solid, which is a really good sign. So August 10th, be prepared. This stock is going to shoot up or drop. They have a really good business mindset, a good opportunity to get that contract deal done. And there's already 124,000 investors on this stock, which is that's crazy. If they land this big deal, I could see this shooting up to like $250,000 just on Robinhood alone. So Just be sure to do your due diligence. Take a little deeper dive into the company. I just wanted to give you guys some big facts on the company. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. I love doing these videos, and for everyone that's supporting so far, I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about Workhorse. And I'll get back with you with another video. Big Money Mindset out.